Our goal is to give everyone a 5-star experience, and it's great to know that our efforts are so appreciated. Here's a fantastic review we're happy to share right now.
Excellent service and communication. Was very professional and turned up exactly when he said he would, and was about half the price of what other installers quoted me. Can highly recommend. Couldn't be happier with the service provided and the roller door installation. Thank you.
So if you're looking for a company that really cares about serving others, backed by years of experience, we'd like to think we're the right business for you. Feel free to contact us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had the chance to check us out today, and we're looking forward to chatting with you soon.